I wonder what it could be. Let's find out. Let's kind of do it this way. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, this is so hard to do looking through the lids. Very much so. This man is an icon. This clown is an icon. Peter PEZ. Here is, I'm going to assume, the brim of his hat. So much Peter PEZ stuff coming out. I want to see a Pop PEZ dispenser of Peter PEZ. Not just the Pop PEZ that they have out there. Alright, so... It's a little bit more of a challenge to myself than anything else to see if I can actually complete this. So, I thought, why not? Because it's fun! I am connecting the dots. When's the last time you connected dots, huh? Followed them numbers? I'm doing pretty good. I guess if you were keeping score, I'm probably at about 70% hitting the dots. Maybe. Oh. As soon as I started complimenting myself. Not very well at all. Let me go around this chin. Got a weird looking face there. No kidding. It ended with number 69. Look at that! We drew Peter PEZ! Went all the way from number 1 and all over the place and ended at number 69. There we go. Wait a minute! This matches up with something! Ooh. So until next time.